What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for joining us at Investing City. And today we're going to be talking about what an IPO is. So picture Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, in his Harvard dorm room, and he's creating the company, pounding out the software, and all of a sudden, the company starts making money. But at a certain point, the company runs out of cash. If Zuckerberg wants really explosive growth, he has to get on the phone and call up a bunch of bankers. What the bankers do is take stock, Facebook stock that is, and go around on something called a roadshow to private investors to see how much interest there is. Once the interest is gauged, the stock is released to the public. The very first day stock is released to the public is called an IPO, or initial public offering. Once this IPO happens, Mark Zuckerberg gets all the cash so he can continue growing Facebook by hiring new employees and building better products. Thank you so much for joining us on Investing City, What is an IPO?